Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset, also known as a factory reset, on your Apple iPad Air M4. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. A factory reset is something you want to do to erase everything on your device. Maybe you want to do this because your storage is full and you just want to erase everything and start from scratch. Maybe it's not acting properly and you want to just erase everything on it to see if it starts working normally again. Or maybe you have it locked like this and you completely forgot your password, or you put the password in wrong too many times and it is unavailable. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways to perform the factory reset. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings. So go ahead and find your settings. Here in settings, we're going to go to general. And then here we're going to scroll all the way down to where it says transfer or reset iPad. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select that. And then here we're going to select erase all content and settings. So this option right here. Okay, here it's just letting you know that this will erase everything on your iPad. So make sure you do back up any data that you do want to keep, because everything will be erased, like pictures, messages, app data, everything. So once you're ready, hit continue, hit erase iPad. Okay, it's going to ask you for your password one more time. Go ahead and put that in there and the reset process will begin. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do it in the event that you have a password and it's locked. Or it's just unavailable from putting in the password wrong too many times. So all you're going to need is you are going to need a computer. You could do this with either a Windows or a Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with a Mac. In a separate video, I'll do it with a Windows for you guys. It's super simple. All you need is the Mac and a cable to connect to it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the cable to connect the iPad to the computer. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to first shut off the iPad, and then once the screen is off, then we're going to go ahead and press and hold volume down and the power lock button or Siri button. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. How we're going to power it off is we're going to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power lock button until the screen turns off. Once it does, we're going to release the power lock button and press and hold volume down and the power lock button. All right, so there you go. Now press and hold volume down and the power lock button, as you can see, and just continue to hold until you see the Apple restore mode appear like this. All right, so we're gonna get this message here on the computer that it's connected to. Go ahead and hit either one, restore update. I'm just gonna hit update here. So the first thing it's gonna do is that it's gonna download the newest software for the iPad, so the latest iPad OS. And then once that's done downloading, then it's going to automatically start the process. It's going to remove the old software from the iPad and install the new one that was downloaded. All right, so here we have this message. It says a software update is required to connect to your iOS device. So, yep, here we're going to hit install. And as you can see, now it's downloading one item. So we're going to have to give it some time for it to download the entire OS, which can take a little bit of time depending on your internet speed. Oh, there you go. It says 50 seconds, but that's just to initiate the download, I believe. Okay, so now it says installing. Okay, so now we received this message here on the computer. It says there's a problem with the iPad that requires it to be updated or restored. So here you can just hit update. It says your iPad can't be updated and will restore to its factory settings. Okay, no problem. So let's go ahead and hit update here. Okay, here just go ahead and hit next, hit agree. Yeah, so as you can see, now it says your Mac is downloading a software update for this iPad and will install it when the download is complete. So yeah, now it's starting to download the software. So let's give it some time for it to completely download and get to the next step. So one thing to keep in mind is that if at any time during the process your iPad gets out of recovery mode because it's taking too long to download the software, for example, all you have to do is just put it back into restore mode at any moment. So let's go ahead and do that now. Volume up, volume down, power lock button until it turns off. Okay, release and then press volume down and power lock button at the same time, and it will get it back into recovery mode. Okay, so there you go. Now let's give it some more time here to see if this finishes downloading. All right, so there we go. Looks like it's moving on to the next step. In the next step, you'll see the Apple logo and a loading bar. It says your Mac is preparing to update the software on this iPad. Okay, so we're gonna have to give it some time for it to load this bar, and then after this one, we're gonna have a couple other loading bars that we're gonna have to wait through till all the loading bars are fully loaded and complete. All right, so it looks like the loading bar is completing here. And look at this. So looks like it's done. It says your iPad has been updated and is restarting. Please leave your iPad connected. It will appear on the sidebar after it restarts. So just hit OK here. Looks like it's done. So I think we're gonna have one more loading bar here on the iPad. Yeah, there you go. So one more loading bar we have to wait through, and then the process will be complete. So I personally just like to leave it connected until the loading bar is complete and I see the initial screen here set up for the iPad, and then I'll disconnect it. But in the meanwhile, just continue leaving it connected until it's done, just in case. All right, so the loading bar finally completed, and we're at the initial setup here of the iPad, as you can see. So now we can finally disconnect it. Okay, and then all we have to do here is just follow all of these steps here to get the iPad set up. All right, everyone, so yep, there you go. That is how you perform a hard reset, also known as a factory reset, on your Apple iPad Air M4. Go ahead and hit the straight like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. So that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace.